Good day. This is the word developed for Group 140. Step 6. Prepare technology negotiation. Head of agreement document for the commercialization of the software developed by Compañía de Software Colombia S.A. Good day. My name is Jason Ramirez. I am going to talk about definition of how to protect the intellectual property of the software. There are several ways to protect a computer program for intellectual property. To protect a computer software or an application for mobile device. They may use various intellectual property tools. In principle, the software is not patentable, but there are exceptions if there is a technical effect. On the other hand, copyright provides for the registration of software and web pages. Visual aspects can be protected as industrial design. Software intellectual property, also known as software intellectual property, is a computer code or program that is protected by law against copyright, theft, or other use that is not permitted by the owner. Software intellectual property belongs to the company that either create or purchase the right to that code of software. An example of a software patent that provides a technical effect is method and computer program for the determination and temporal distributions of a dose of insulin to a user.
Well, kind regards, tutor and classmates. My name is Lina Cadena, a student of Industrial Engineering. The following presentation corresponds to step 6 of the desired evaluation of technology. For this step, I will talk about the method used to establish the price and the reasons on the selection. 1 second. Okay. Evaluate the method used to establish the price and the reason of the selection. Through the selection of premise, it was determined that the best option to apply the market valuation method, which is based on the economic principles of competition and equilibrium. After carrying out the analysis of the license agreement of other similar companies, the run of royalties around 15 and 20% at project renewal. The premises are the participation of Compañía de Software Colombia S.A. in the national market. It represents 16%. The value technology consists on the design of a new application that will allow the integration of financial accounting data in a manager. Way that start for the principles of the balance scorecard, in which they allow the manager to measure achieving in real time of your strategies and carry on continuous monitoring of team, as well as it will allow you to measure the cost of the activities in the organization process. The calculation of the percent between the value of the transaction and the economic and operational measure, which for this case is calculated between 15 and 20%. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Jason Ramirez. I am going to talk about general condition of the licensing and the negotiation. The head of agreement between Compañía Software Colombia S.A., now licensor, and Compañía Seguros Bolívar, now licensee, is made for the copyright to use a new application, that is, a contract is made for the use of intellectual property. The contract is made for a period of 1 year. Its nature is copyright, where the use of the software is authorized only to the licensee. The head of agreement is negotiated for 325 million, distributed in 4 payments from the start date of the contract. The negotiation is not exclusive, so it can be sold to more licenses.
Good day, dear teacher. My name is Margarita Higuera. In this moment, I talk about of conclusion of my parents, the group 114. The first conclusion, like everything that respects cooperate, the fact of having created something establishes the moral and economic rights ever for creation. That is so say the right arrays automatical for the author with the actor of creating a work, provided that work reflect on an original, particular, and own expression. The second conclusion, intellectual property must be protected and supported under the head of agreement, which must be fair so that the author of research obtain the corresponding royalties. Thanks.
Good night. My name is Nancy Rodriguez. Conclusions, Maria Higuera. The work carried out with the group is an teamwork exercise in which the competencies and capacities are reflected to deliver a draft contract that can guard the Compañía de Software Colombia S.A. with respect to the draft contract to commercialize your software according to research during a course and acknowledge that the course aids to complement our training. A draft with important concept was issued. Conclusions, Nancy Rodriguez. The value of the technology-based tangible asset must be the result of analysis of the factors that are relevant and yet are related to each of the variables of pervade the market. The nature of patents is to protect its rights to its creations and its requirements. Thank you.